So hello mga beshies, the reason why we are here sa aming CR because ako po ay magkukulay ng buhok. Yes! Kung ano-ano naiisip nyo dyan ha. So I'll be trying this Hello Bubble X Blackpink foam color. So this is in the shade Vanilla Gold. Ayan po. So may instruction po siya dito sa gilid. Sana nakikita nyo siya. Ayan, closer. But then it is in Korean. So hindi ko yan mababasa. And then also on the other side, mayroon din siyang ganyan. But still, it is also in Korean. So, number lang yung English, guys. Ayan, oh. Number lang talaga yung English. Ipo-focus ko siya. Diba? Nakita nyo? Yan. And then, on the other side as well, it's all in Korean. Ayan. So, focus natin ulit. Korean, Korean, Korean. So, guys. So, check natin sa loob kung mayroon siyang English translation. Okay? So, tingnan nga natin. So, guys, tingnan natin kung maging kasing ganda ko ba siya. Diba? Abangan. So, mga beshies, let's open this one. So, easy lang siya. So, this slide. Ta-da! Here and here. So, inside, we have this packet. So, I don't know what is this one because it's all in Korean as well. So, we have this pump. Mag-focus naman siya. Ayan, nag-focus na siya. Okay. Number 1. And this one, there is a number down here. Focus natin yung bottle. So, here's number 2. Another small sachet in here. And this is number 3. It says there number 3, guys. So, this one is the serum. Ayan, focus din natin. Serum. Okay. And we have this. So, this one is in the Ziploc. Okay, so, I think this is manual. So, tingnan natin, guys. Let's open. Okay. Wow, this is the manual. Okay, let's see what we have in here. This one. Oh, this is cool. Okay, guys. So, we have here the gloves. So, they have gloves. Ayan. This is the gloves. And we have the plastic. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Okay, guys. So, ito siya, guys. Oh. I will put this on my neck. There you are. Okay, diba? Oh, ha? So, you have this one to protect your shirt from the color, of course. So, ayan. So, itatali mo lang ito dito. Mayroon ka ng the first step. I need to find first the English translation. That is my mission right now. Let's open this one. Okay? Open it. Oh, guys. So, inside, we have the manual or the instruction pala on how to use this one. So, mayroong English, guys. Don't worry. So, first step, it says here, preparation step, put on the gloves. So, let's put on the gloves. Let's get the gloves done. Okay, whoa. Okay. Here. Then, let's put the other one. Here it is. Then, gloves on. Okay, gloves on, gloves on. So now let's prepare the solution. So first we have the number 2. So this one, so let's open it. Yeah, put it on the side. Then let's put number 1. Okay, so where is number 1? Oh, this is the number 1. Okay, it says here number 1. Nakikita nyo ba? This one. Then let's put it inside. Yes, this is number 3. Here it is. Then let's put it inside as well. Okay. Then let's cover it. This one. And the third step is gently shake the bottle about 20 times in circular motions until the correct content is mixed well. So, ganun daw gagawin. So, circular. So guys, according to the instruction, you're gonna shake it up and down, up and down. It should be in circular motion. So it says there also that you have to put the mixture on a flat surface, then pump. Okay, so let's do that. And disclaimer as well, the hair must be dry. Okay, but this spends only like 3 to 4 pumps, and then we applied it on our dry hair. So sige nga. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get this one. Yes, here it is. Guys, ako first time ko lang talaga to, and that's why when I saw this in the shop, I said, "Ooh, this is something new," and I would like to try it. So that's why I purchased this one. Okay, so this is still like cheaper compared to going to the salon, right? Or compared to having your hair color done in the salon. So mas mura pa rin to. So yan guys, oh diba? Wow. Or I can style it like this way. Hey you! Oh my gosh! Ayan. More. I like also the pump of this one, huh? It is really sturdy and high quality, you know? And... It says here guys, we can leave the dye on for 20 to 30 minutes. So for thick hair and virgin hair, leave on for additional 5 to 10 minutes daw, sabi dito. More and more. Guys, so I think even your hair is long, this is worth it, huh? For $6, this is only like 300 pesos, right? And it smells good. I'm inside the CR and this is a closed area. Still, I can smell the color. Unlike yung ginagamit ko, $2.5 nga lang yun, pero mabaho. Has a strong smell or odor. Huh? Yeah. So, let's see guys, ako maging kasing ganda ko yung Blackpink member, ha? Makapalang face. Ayan. Then, for now, I will wear this one. Okay. Should be, guys, before you color. But now, I will just use it right now. So, gagamitin ko na po ito. So, hello mga beshies. I already applied the serum or yung hair pack. And then, I need to leave it for 3 minutes para ma-absorb siya ng roots ng aking hair. So, let's see kung ano siya after. Okay? So, what I like about this product is mabango lahat. Alam mo yun, yung hindi amoy chemicals. So, sa tingin ko, bibili pa ako nito at baka ito na rin yung gagamitin ko sa aking hair. Easy to use, easy to apply, and ang bango. That's what I like. And wala akong na-feel na something sa aking scalp. So, it means maganda yung quality ng product. Okay? Tignan nyo guys. Oops. Wow. It really smells good. You know, yung pinaka-serum niya. Yeah. Very soft and it smells good. Okay. It's nice though. The color is nice. So, mga beshies, naging kamukha ko ba siya? Siyempre hindi, no? Kasi yung hair natin, kailangan siyang i-bleach muna bago mo talaga ma-achieve yung color na to, diba? So, ayan. And that's it for today, mga beshies, and thank you for watching my video. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye!